My name is Tom Swagemakers. I'm the Senior Director Aftersales Global for ModusLink. Aftersales is regarded as the biggest secret in the market. Unfortunately, within the e-commerce world, after-sales suddenly becomes a part of sales. The challenge is managing that. Instead of just looking at the market, we said, are we going to do what everybody else does, or are we going to ask our customers? What are the issues they have? Everybody wants to talk about how much they shipped, how much they sold. Nobody talks about how much came back and what are the problems with our product, etc., which is understandable. The fact is that it's still there. It's an issue and it's growing. The more you sell, the more comes back. So we started talking to customers, what are the issues, what are you dealing with? And from that information, we started building a concept. And the concept was not just a reflection of the issues, but the concept was, how do we solve these issues? And not just stuff coming back and then we'll repair it or refurbish it or resell it. The cost for returns is based on in warranty, which basically means if you put a new product in the market, you go to your manufacturer, you say, okay, how many of these products will break down in the market, and based on that they reserve money to cover those costs. And the biggest issue there is that it's unplannable. And the reason for it is because there's no data available. Right now that planning is not done. First of all, you need to control the process, as in forward supply chain. In the end, the overall cost of the entire supply chain will drop, but the service will go up, and that's the key. We found that a lot of companies don't want to talk about their after sales. It's a painful subject, and it's understandable. I mean, the products are coming back. In order for that supply chain to grow and to become more mature, companies need to share information like they do with forward supply chain. In many cases, a lot of companies speak about their forward supply chain challenges, how they fix it, etc., etc. That should happen with after sales as well. No matter what the product is, no matter what the processes are, they're trying to fix it all in a different way, but the issues are the same. Therefore, it's possible to build a global platform that allows you to cover at least 90% of all those same issues. And maybe we should rethink this. It is not normal to have 500,000 returns. It's that simple. And that's what I would like to know. Maybe we could change the world. Maybe we can change this concept and change it into something substantial. I think the only way to do this is, A, you have to have all the services. That means you have to have anything from registration to e-waste. Second of all, it has to be modular. That means everybody has some form of an after-sales supply chain solution. So it would be ridiculous for ModusLink to show up and offer 25 modules and you have to take the whole thing, or it's no-go. During our research, what we've done, we tried to figure out, is there a global network? Is there a system in the market that connects all the three regions and offers all those different solutions? There isn't any. There are solutions for repair centers to have this, but that's after the fact. And ModusLink will be the very first in the market to offer a global online network that connects the dots.